Hi, my name is Dean Hiller. I work for Buffalo Software, and we developed the Energy Databus for National Renewable Energy Laboratory. It's a free open source project that you can download for free. And I'm going to continue where I left off on the last video, where we just showed a very quick overview. I'm basically right now in one of the databases in our databus, in the demo databus. And we showed some of the charts by clicking View Chart last time. But I'm going to show you basically for this database I can look at the properties and change the properties. But I can also go to Users to give more users access to this database, which gives them access to all the sensors and the data in those databases and the charts and everything else. And if we go down to cron jobs now, we can basically add monitors, and these monitors will tell us when a certain sensor goes offline. So I could click Add Monitor and give it the sensor name, which is the same thing as a table name, and how often that sensor should be updating in our database. So some sensors might report every hour, so I might have this update set to an hour so that it's going to check and make sure that within the last hour there was a data point came in. And if a data point gets missed, it will email us. Now sometimes you might have an hourly sensor and you might set your update to 24 hours, in which case it's just going to make sure that there was data that came in the last 24 hours. And then of course type the emails that you want to be notified of that outage so they can go fix the sensor. Then on top of that there's cron jobs, and so for our cron jobs basically you could have a cron job that's running every hourly and aggregating some minutely data into an hour, or running daily and aggregating 15-minute data into daily data using time averaging or any of those things, and it writes to a different table, and then you can use that and draw a new chart. And then of course there's triggers. Triggers are basically you can write some script that basically does something for every data point on a specific table. So if I have a specific sensor, I could put that sensor name in here, and I put the URL basically that I want called, and a script basically that I want run to check on that trigger. And so those are kind of some of the other features of Databus. One other feature is a search. So you can have faceted search pages. You might want to Google what a faceted search page is. I won't explain that right now. But in a future demo I'll start showing some of the other features of Databus, like the data streams and the charts. For now, that's kind of a rough overview of basically what a single database looks like in Databus. And again, Databus holds many databases. They're all virtual. And currently we have actually 12 data nodes here in our current setup. So that's basically what Databus looks like, and in the next video we'll show you some more features. Thanks for your time.